The Queensland sun beat down on Scala, a house perched precariously on a cliffside overlooking Bowen Hills. A passion project 4 years in the making, it was the brainchild of architect couple Ingrid Richards and Adrian Spence. Unlike most houses, where the indoors reigned supreme, here, the outdoors was the undisputed king. The heart of Scala wasn't a grand living room, but a multi-tiered oasis built from concrete blocks. Imagine an amphitheater bathed in sunshine, with lush green terraces cascading downwards. A pool, its surface catching the sunlight like scattered diamonds, became the centerpiece of this outdoor haven. Here, the Brisbane norm was defied. Instead of the typical house-in-the-middle yard layout, Richards and Spence flipped the script, prioritizing open-air living under endless blue skies. The light concrete they chose wasn't just aesthetically pleasing, it was a practical choice for Brisbane's relentless heat. It echoed a theme in their work, like the near-whitewashed concrete blocks used in the Scala Hotel, a testament to both beauty and environmental responsibility. "Light colors suit our hot city," Adrian explained. But their vision extended beyond aesthetics. They designed Scala with a lifespan exceeding their own occupancy. This could be a gallery, a restaurant, anything but just a house, Adrian mused. The idea was to create a flexible space that could adapt to different uses. While the exposed concrete gave the house a ruin-like feel, as Adrian described it, there was no denying the glamorous air it exuded. It was a place made for basking in the sun and entertaining, a sentiment Ingrid echoed. "There's this incredible feeling," she said, "where you're lying in the pool, looking up at the sky through the building's silhouette. You feel completely alone, even though you're right next to the city center." Scala wasn't just a house, it was a testament to the couple's vision, a sun-drenched sanctuary where the outdoors reigned supreme. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.